I've heard from a lot of designers that say that they want to create their own custom layouts and their own custom templates completely from scratch, and they don't want to have all of the extra stuff that Apple's already added into the layout to get started with. Well, in this movie, I'm going to show you how to create your own blank template so you can begin with a clean slate. To get started, I've opened up a brand new document based on the basic template. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the book title, select on an element, and then press Command A to select all the elements on the page, and then press the delete button. This gets rid of all of these elements. You can do that for other elements such as the table of contents. Next, let's turn our attention to the individual layout pages. If we pull down the sidebar, let's start off with the chapter layout. Go ahead and click on the chapter layout, then click on any element in the page, press Command A, and then press the delete key. You'll notice that many of the elements disappear, but not all of them. In particular, this vertical bar, and you'll notice the vertical bar is still selected, and it's got this small X up here at the top, and there's one at the bottom as well. This indicates that this is a locked element. To unlock the element, all you need to do is go up to the Arrange menu and go down and select Unlock. The X's go away, you can now press the Delete key, and that element goes away as well. Make sure you scroll over to the right-hand side because many of these layouts have two pages defined. Let's go ahead and press Command A to select all the elements on this page, hit the Delete key, and once again, we'll need to unlock that vertical line by going to Arrange, Unlock, and then we can press the Delete key to get rid of it. We can then apply those changes down to any existing documents within our document. If we want to get rid of an entire layout, such as the preface, because we're not going to be using it within our document, we can right-click or control-click on that layout and then simply select Delete. Now we have a chapter that has no content in it whatsoever. You can repeat that process for all of the elements within sections as well. If you scroll down further, you can see below that we have our pages. I would suggest going ahead and leaving the pages in place as they are because it's just some basic layouts. If you, for instance, knew that you were never going to have a one-column layout, you could simply right-click or control-click on that element and delete it as well to get rid of it. The pages layouts always include a blank page layout already. So if you wanted to, you could get rid of all of these layouts that are just text if you knew you were just going to be starting off with just plain documents. When you're finished making all of the changes to your layout, you can simply scroll back up to the top, go up to the File menu, and choose Save as Template. You can give your template a name, such as blank, and the correct location, which is My Templates, is already selected for you. To learn where this location is, simply scroll over to the left-hand side, and you'll notice that in your Library folder, under Application Support, iBooks Author, Templates, My Templates is the location where your new template is going to be created. Go ahead and click the Save button, and then when you close that document, you don't need to save it. Then you can go up to the File menu and choose New from Template Chooser, and when you scroll down in the list, you'll find your new blank template that you can open up and you can begin working with. Since we didn't get rid of the rest of these elements, they're still here in this one. But you could go through and build your own blank template if you want to do a complete layout from scratch.